Alright, just thought I'd pull over here and take a quick shot of this monster truck. They got the monster truck rally this weekend down at the Hamilton County Fairgrounds. I was just cruising by. I thought I'd get a little height comparison on a 01 WS6 Trans Am versus a pretty stacked monster truck right there. Got the Trans Am cleaned up. Went out for a morning cruise. Love this car. It brings out the idiots on the road, you know. People get it in their head that they want to show off, go fast around this car. I'm sure many other sports cars, but this seems to draw a lot of attention on, you know, idiots that really don't know how to drive, want to show off, try to come up on you and try to run with you and look like an asshole when you put the hammer down like Thor. So anyway, thought I'd stop by and just check out this truck here. Some big ass tires, boy. I'm 6'2". These are probably about 5.5 feet tall. That looks like a dog eye front end, but there's just fake lights on it painted in there. This is the Carolina Crusher. And that big ass shocks. I think that is tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, or Saturday and Sunday. Oh, there you go, right there. Mud Truck Friday, Mud Truck Drag. Demolition Derby, Dirt Drag Racing. Anyway, look how small that little Trans Am is compared to that. And that's not that big, but it is big. But Carolina Crusher definitely crushed my Trans Am. Got me my orange juice. All happens down over here, out in that field, the stands. Then there's other stands up over that way. But yeah, they could do some jumps in that truck. Seat about 10 people in the back of that. Let them go flying in the air. Go crushing some cars. I'm sure them tires are quite expensive. That still costs some money, boy. Look at them leaf springs. Them motherfuckers are on a U. Got the hell of a bend on them. Damn, boy. 66 by 43. Lug. Looks like we left the socket on the one. Yeah, buddy. I'm not going to try to climb up on that thing, get an interior pic, but that's the real deal. I'd love to have that. Shit. Drive that fucker around town. Paul guy times 10. Anyway, I thought I'd do a quick little video, being Thursday morning. Appreciate you guys watching, like and subscribe. Comment. I'll be putting more content on the channel as far as both the SS trucks and this Trans Am. These car shows are about to be popping off everywhere, so we're going to go to them and see what we can do. I do have the Trans Am entered in a car show June 1st, I believe, for Eclipse window tinting here in Cincinnati. It's up in Sharonville. So I will be getting coverage of that. I believe I'm the only Trans Am entered in the car show, but they got muscle cars, exotics, old schools. I went 2 years ago on their first annual and took my red SS, and lo and behold, of all things, a fucking Tesla pulls up next to me. There are people at the shows that, who the hell bring a Tesla to a fucking car show? Nobody wants to see that shit. Anyway, appreciate you watching, like and subscribe. Brian Gaddis, see you soon.